Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can write a vertical text on Canva. So first, in the text, let's choose a default text style. I'm gonna use the subheading as an example, and then we're just gonna type text. Now all you need to do in order to make it vertical, you need to decrease the width. So over here at one of the sides, you have this rectangle, and you can drag it to the left, for instance, if you select the right one, and then squeeze it like so. And then you have the vertical text. Furthermore, you can also use spacing. So next to effects, you have this icon over here, we have spacing. And here you also have line spacing. I'll actually move it a little bit down here in order to see it. And now we can decrease the line spacing in order to make the text a little bit closer if needed, like so. Or otherwise, if you want to have it a little bit more spread out, then of course you can increase the line spacing like so. Over here you also have anchor text box, which allow you to change how it is spread. So the middle one will be spacing from the middle of the text box, this one from the top, and this one from the bottom, like so. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!